Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your trusted source for the latest tech reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to discuss: the Nineplus 1200 megabits per second dual antenna USB Wi-Fi adapter. If you're tired of slow and unreliable Wi-Fi connections, this might be the solution you've been looking for. Let's jump right in. First and foremost, the Nineplus Wi-Fi adapter is all about speed. It delivers a blazing fast 1200 megabits per second connection, which is 3 times faster than the built-in wireless N adapters you find in most PCs or laptops. Say goodbye to lag and buffering during your online activities. But that's not all. This adapter operates on both 5 GHz and 2 GHz bands. The 5 GHz band provides speeds of up to 867 megabits per second, while the 2 GHz band offers 400 megabits per second. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or just browsing the web, you'll experience smoother performance without interruptions. Let's talk antennas. The Nineplus Wi-Fi adapter comes equipped with two 5 dBi high-gain antennas. These antennas enhance Wi-Fi signal reception and transmission, making your connection more stable and reliable. No more dead zones in your home or office. When it comes to transfer speeds, USB 3.0 is the way to go. This adapter leverages USB 3.0 technology, delivering data transfer speeds up to 10 times faster than USB 2.0. It's a significant upgrade that ensures smooth HD streaming and quick downloads. Wondering if it's compatible with your system? The Nineplus Wi-Fi adapter has you covered. It supports Windows the 8th of October 11.1, 8/7 XP, Mac OS 10.6 to 10.15, and Linux kernel. It's truly versatile and compatible with a range of operating systems. The setup couldn't be simpler. Just plug and play on Windows 10 11's, no drivers required. And if you ever run into issues, rest assured, Nineplus offers excellent customer support. They provide a 2-year service and even offer PC replacements for any adapter problems. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working from home, the Nineplus 1200 megabits per second dual antenna USB Wi-Fi adapter promises to enhance your Wi-Fi experience. With its high-speed performance and reliability, it's a must-have for anyone looking to supercharge their wireless connection. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Do you have any questions or thoughts about this Wi-Fi adapter? Feel free to share them in the comments section below. Thanks for tuning in today, and until next time, enjoy blazing fast Wi-Fi with the Nineplus dual antenna USB adapter.